Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you deep dives into the best home gadgets you can trust. And today, we're featuring what we believe is the best canister vacuum cleaner for multi-surface use, the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. Whether you're dealing with carpet fuzz, dusty hardwoods, or a mess in your car, this compact yellow powerhouse might just be your new best friend in cleaning. Let's jump in. The Eureka 3670M is a canister-style vacuum designed to be lightweight, versatile, and ready to clean all floor types, carpets, hardwoods, tiles, and even stairs and upholstery. Weighing in at just 8.6 pounds, it's easy to carry throughout your home, up the stairs, and even outside to your car. Despite its light frame, don't be fooled. Inside is a robust 1200-watt motor, which delivers consistent and powerful suction for deep cleaning across multiple surfaces. Whether it's pet hair, dirt, or debris embedded in your carpet, the 12-amp motor ensures nothing is left behind. One of the standout features is the dust collection system. It uses replaceable bags with a 2.65-liter capacity. That means mess-free maintenance. Just pop out the full bag, toss it, and slide a new one in. No clouds of dust, no dirty filters to shake out over your trash can. The Eureka 3670M also comes equipped with 2 extension wands and a set of specialty tools including a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and a versatile floor nozzle. This makes it easy to clean hard-to-reach places. Think ceiling corners, under furniture, and tight spaces between car seats. Its 20-foot power cord gives you plenty of reach without constantly switching outlets. And even though it's corded, the mobility and ease of movement make up for it. No awkward dragging or tipping thanks to its compact canister design and smooth rolling wheels. One thing to note is the noise level. At 90 decibels, it's not whisper quiet. But given its suction power and performance, it's a small trade-off, especially for those who want thorough cleaning above all. To sum it up, the Eureka 3670M is not trying to be flashy. It's built to clean, and clean well. With its powerful motor, easy-to-replace dust bags, lightweight frame, and multi-surface flexibility, it stands tall among canister vacuums in its price range. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, powerful vacuum that gets the job done across your entire home, the Eureka 3670M should be on your shortlist. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on reviews. And let us know in the comments which vacuum you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.